Check out these Instagram accounts. They have a high number of followers, and they're posting a significant number of posts. These posts all look very similar and are easy to create. Motivational quotes is a niche that everyone loves. You can create an Instagram account or a Facebook page, gain followers, and start earning. To do this, you only need to dedicate 30 minutes a week, and your posts will be ready. So, how do you create these posts? Let's see how these posts are made. For step number 1, you need to come to ChatGPT and generate as many quotes as you need. For step number 2, you should go to Google Sheets and paste your data into it. Then, download it in CSV format. For the next and final step, you need to go to CANVA. Here, you can either search for a template with the design you want, or go directly to Instagram post templates. Then, search for motivational quotes. Select the pre-made design that you like. Now, scroll on the left side to access apps. Here, search for Bulk Create and add it. After adding it, you'll find the Bulk Create option. Now, upload the file you downloaded in CSV format from Google Sheets. Click on the text, and you'll see 3 dots. Click on them from there. Select Connect Data. Choose your data, then click on Continue, and then Generate. I only select 5 here because I'm just guiding you. After waiting for some time, the posts will be generated. Now adjust the text once everything is ready. To download, go to the Share option and download from here. For more informative content, please subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, please like it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you very much.